Hello and welcome to DreamSignature, India's leading institute for 100% job-oriented computer and IT training. Today's video we're going to explore a very exciting and in-demand career path, the role of a data analyst. What does a data analyst actually do? Why are they so important in today's digital world? And how can you become one? Whether you're a student, a job seeker, or just curious about the tech industry, this video will give you clear insights into the world of data analysis and how it's shaping the future of decision-making. So stay tuned and let's dive into the world of data. What is data analysis? Data analysis is the process of collecting, organizing, and examining data to find useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. It helps to identify patterns, trends, and relationships within the data. Businesses, researchers, and professionals use data analysis to solve problems, improve performance, and make better choices. The process often involves using tools like Excel, Python, or specialized software to clean, visualize, and interpret data. Whether it's understanding customer behavior or tracking sales performance, data analysis turns raw data into meaningful insights. In simple terms, it helps us make sense of numbers and facts to guide smart actions. Who is a data analyst? A data analyst is a professional who collects, organizes, and examines data to help businesses make informed decisions. They use tools and techniques to find patterns, trends, and insights from data, turning raw information into useful knowledge for solving problems, improving processes, and supporting strategic planning. Key skills. Critical thinking. This means thinking clearly and logically. A data analyst uses critical thinking to understand problems, ask the right questions, and find the best way to solve them using data. Statistical analysis. This is the ability to work with numbers. It helps the analyst find patterns, trends, or errors in the data, using math and statistics. It's like using numbers to tell a story or find answers. Communication. A data analyst must explain complex data in a simple way. Whether it's through charts, reports, or presentations, they must share their findings clearly so everyone can understand and make decisions. Responsibilities of a data analyst. 1. Data collection. A data analyst gathers data from different sources like websites, databases, surveys, or company records. This step is important to ensure they have enough information to work with. 2. Data cleaning. Once the data is collected, it may have errors, duplicates, or missing values. Data cleaning means fixing these issues to make the data accurate and ready for analysis. 3. Data analysis. In this step, the analyst studies the data to find useful patterns, trends, or answers to business questions. They use tools like Excel, SQL, or Python to make sense of the data. 4. Reporting. After analysis, the data analyst creates easy-to-understand charts, graphs, or dashboards to share their findings. These reports help companies make smart decisions based on the data. Tools and technologies used. Software. Data analysts use software like Microsoft Excel, SQL, Python, R, Power BI, and Tableau to collect, clean, analyze, and visualize data. These tools help in handling large amounts of data and creating meaningful reports. Data source. They work with data from various sources, such as company databases, online surveys, customer feedback, social media platforms, websites, and third-party tools. This data can be structured, like spreadsheets, or unstructured, like text or images. Techniques. Common techniques include data cleaning, filtering, sorting, statistical analysis, data visualization, and trend forecasting. Analysts also use techniques like regression analysis, clustering, and data mining to uncover patterns and insights that help in decision-making. Step-by-step process. A data analyst starts by understanding the business problem and identifying what data is needed. Then they collect data from different sources and clean it by removing errors or duplicates. After that, they analyze the data using software tools to find patterns, trends, and insights. Next, they create charts, graphs, and reports to visualize the results clearly. Finally, they share their findings with the team or management to help make better decisions based on the data. Example: a data analyst starts by understanding the problem or business need. Next, they collect data from sources like databases or surveys. Then they clean the data by removing errors or duplicates. After that, they analyze the data using tools like Excel, SQL, or Python to find patterns or trends. They then visualize the results using charts or dashboards in Power BI or Tableau. Finally, they share insights through reports or presentations to help the team make decisions. For example, an analyst may study customer feedback to find why sales dropped, or analyze website data to improve user experience. Real-world applications of data analysis. Data analysis is widely used in business decision-making. For example, companies analyze customer purchase patterns to understand what products are selling well, what promotions work best, and how to improve customer satisfaction. E-commerce platforms like Amazon use data analysis to recommend products, while banks use it to detect fraudulent transactions and assess credit risk. In healthcare and public services, data analysis plays a vital role. Hospitals analyze patient data to improve diagnosis, treatment plans, and resource allocation. Governments use data to track public health trends, manage budgets, and plan infrastructure. Even in sports, teams analyze player performance data to improve strategies and training programs. Challenges faced by data analysts. Data analysts often face challenges like poor data quality, where data may be incomplete, inconsistent, or full of errors. They also deal with large volumes of data, which can be hard to manage without proper tools. Understanding the business problem clearly is another challenge, as unclear goals can lead to wrong analysis. Analysts must also keep up with changing technologies and tools, and sometimes face difficulties in explaining complex results to non-technical teams. Lastly, data privacy and security concerns must always be handled carefully. Solutions. To overcome these challenges, data analysts can use data cleaning tools and techniques to improve data quality. Using automated software and cloud-based platforms helps manage large datasets efficiently. Clear communication with stakeholders ensures a better understanding of business goals. Continuous learning and skill development in tools like Python, SQL, and visualization platforms keeps them updated with new technologies. To explain complex results, analysts can use simple visuals and storytelling techniques. Ensuring data privacy through secure systems and following data protection guidelines is also essential. Future of data analysis. The future of data analysis is very promising as businesses and industries become more data-driven. With the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, data analysis will become faster and more accurate. Tools will continue to evolve, making it easier for even non-technical users to understand data. Real-time data analysis, predictive analytics, and automation will play a key role in decision-making. As more data is generated daily, the demand for skilled data analysts will grow across sectors like healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and education. Conclusion: data analysis is a key part of modern decision-making across all industries. In today's digital world, organizations rely on accurate and timely data to stay competitive, understand customers, and drive growth. Data analysts play a vital role by transforming raw data into meaningful insights that solve real-world problems. From business and finance to healthcare and education, data analysis supports smarter strategies like forecasting sales, detecting fraud, or improving public services. Tools such as Excel, SQL, Python, Tableau, and Power BI help analysts manage large datasets effectively. With advancements in AI, machine learning, and real-time analytics, data analysis is becoming more powerful and accessible. However, it also requires careful handling of privacy and ethics. In short, data analysis shapes how we live and work. Building these skills opens up exciting career opportunities and a chance to create real impact.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DreamSignature, India's leading platform for 100% job-oriented training and career growth. Stay connected for more tips, training, updates, and success stories. Need guidance? Call us at 801-6595-123 or visit our website, www.dreamsignature.in. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.